everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. Today I am going to show you how I make a DIY stenciled drop cloth outdoor rug. So stick around. Alright guys, so this is the drop cloth that I am using for my outdoor rug. It is 6x9 and it has a double stitch edging, which is good. So what I'm going to do before I start stenciling on this, I'm going to give it a good wash. The company who made this sent me instructions on how to wash it so that you don't shrink it, and also how to double wash it if you needed to give it a softer fabric. So I am just going to wash it once, and it says to do that in cold water and then hang it up to dry. So it's a really nice day outside, so I'm just going to let it dry outside and then I'll come back and show you how I stencil it. Alright guys, so I am back today. Yesterday was a bust. After I washed the drop cloth, I ended up having to hang it up inside because it started pouring down the rain, and it was just thunder and lightning, and it was just awful outside. So it took a little bit longer for it to dry than expected because it was inside, but that's okay. So now it's dry, it's all ready to be stenciled. One thing I did forget to tell you is after you wash it, you want to use an iron on the damp cloth to get all the wrinkles out and then hang it up to dry. So I did that. It is all ready to go. Now I have my stencil here. This is what I'm using. It's from Americana Deco Art. And then I have my stencil brushes. And then I have some chalk paint. And I got all of these plus the drop cloth off of Amazon, like I told you yesterday. So I will leave a link down in the description box below so you guys can check everything out if you want to. And I'm just gonna get started stenciling. I have no pattern or anything, so I'm probably just gonna start in the middle and work my way out, and hopefully everything works out. So let's get started.
Alright, so I started in the middle and worked my way outward with the stencil, and guys, it just kind of worked out. Once I started figuring out what the pattern was going to be, I just went with it. Again, I did not measure anything. It was not perfect, but I think it turned out really great in the end, and it's exactly what I wanted.
Alright guys, I am so happy with how my DIY drop cloth rug turned out. It was a lot of work and it took a lot longer than expected, but I love the end result. So I can't wait to get some outdoor furniture on it, which actually I have a DIY outdoor furniture video coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. So if you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.